Here this one it is total power switch. This is one's connection drawing. This is all motors drawing. This part it is here. It is here. You can see here. This part, this is the sensor. This part drawing, it is over there, sandbox. And the sandbox have a line. A line, you can see that black line. It is here. Connection with this part. Connection with this part. And here, this is a hydraulic station wire box. It is this one. It is this one. And this one have a plug connection here. Here. And this is sensor location in block machine. X0, S1, S2, S3. X0, X1, S2, S3. Material trolley X4, X5, X4, X5. You can see here, there, and this one block receiver X7, X6. X7, X。对，这个板的那个呢？跟那边。哦。Let me take you to find X7. Here, let's see it. And this one is what? Let us find the line. This line here. Oh, this is a hydraulic station motor. This one connection with this motor, hydraulic station motor. This one, this three, it is a mixing motor in material trolley. It means this motor. And this motor on the hopper conveyor. This one, this line, this motor line, it is over there. You see that motor connection there. And this motor, this is the block receiver motor. This line connection here, this motor. This is the block receiver motor. Here you need to add oil. You see the sixth one, the last one, it is the vibration motor. You can see its color, it is yellow. Total 6 one. Those two parts connection with this motor and another motor. This motor rotation direction like this, and that motor like this. That motor rotation direction like this. This one like this. This one this. Another one this. It will be okay. If not same, it will easy burning. Actually, it is easy, very easy, and so fast. We will change English drawing for you, and those parts will also change into English marks, and here also have marks. In power, motors were not connection. This one, it is very easy. after you connection with all tubes and all lines, just press head mode up. If the head mode up means okay. If you press head mode up, but the head mode down, you need to change the motor, change the line, motor ones. Let the motor rotation direction change. And this one also okay. Just have a try. This one rotation like this. This is this part usually not to change. For example, oh no, head mode controlled by the hydraulic oil cylinder. Just find this cylinder. You can see here, head mode. You can see here, head mode. Oh no, dear. Head mode, X1 and X0. You can see here. Just find no, not this one. That is sensor here. Head mode, Wi-Fi 16. You see Wi-Fi 16, and find the change the lines. It will be okay. And here our tube we have marks. You can see 1, 1, 2, 2. When you finish just the machine, just close it. No use this one. Just close it. Not change any data in the touch screen. Must add oil, enough oil. This is water cooler. Use a water pump. Cold water come in. Another side. Hot water come out. This is wire box for all sensors in the block machine. You can see here. When delivery, we will connection with all wires for you. Not change. You can see there the drawing. They are very useful for you.等一下哈。